track every single hour that you do. Like literally, if you're serious about your goals, you need to track your time. Alright, what's good? It's currently 1 p.m. Sunday. Let's have a great upcoming week. You know what that means. Whether are you a trader, you do econ, you do copywriting, whatever you do, whatever your goals are, let's have a great week, great profitable week. And let's get ready for it, okay? The best way to start the week is by being productive. You see me recording. So please, man, do something productive. Go to the gym, journal, do something, bro. Freaking record a video, man. Do something, okay? Because that's what I'm trying to motivate, innovate for you to achieve your goals. Okay, I'm doing that shit at the same time. Okay, I'm a day trader. What's good? I've been day trading for 3.5 years, profitable for 1.5 years. I was unprofitable. I was losing for 2 years. It was hard, but you gotta keep pushing. Whether you feel like it or not, you gotta show up every single day. Look at me, it's Sunday. I could be sleeping, but the time is ticking. We do not know how much time we have, so let's just make the most out of the day. How do we win the day? Well, me personally, I have 3 main tasks in a day that I need to complete, and those 3 tasks are critical for me to get towards my goals. And you have to understand that once you win the day, it is easier to win the week. And when you win the week, you can continue and you can win the month. When you win the month, you have to continue. You win the year. Once you win the year, man, you're unbeatable, okay? You already built those habits. It's automatic. Okay, so you gotta continue, okay? Continue. The results are not gonna show immediately, but they will come, trust me. Okay, you just gotta learn to enjoy the process. Okay, show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Okay, and that's how you build the good habits. And those good habits allow you to push yourself automatically. Okay, just trust the process, man. Learn to enjoy it, like I told you. But yeah, man, this is gonna be a long day. It's currently 1 p.m., like I told you. Chilling, but recording this video as well. About to drink some more water, hop onto the room, hop on a call with my students in the Discord. And if you want to join, it should be the link in the description. You can join it for free as well. It has a free course, community, everything that you need. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hop on the call, do a weekly market analysis with my Discord. In like 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, but still, I'm gonna get ready. About to read some book as well, and then later I'm gonna hit the gym. But I'm gonna show everything. But I'm just being real. I'm showing everything, being realistic. I don't gotta show my highlights of my life to a camera only, because I'm different. Okay, I show you the reality, what it takes. All of these gurus, they only show the highlights. I'm just being real, okay? But that's just me, okay? But yeah, I'm hop into the room, get ready to go on a call with my students, and I'll update you guys, alright? Yo, hello everybody, welcome to the weekly market analysis. Let's have a great session. So, what is a weekly market analysis? It is an overview of the upcoming week, and we're gonna go through which days are we gonna trade, which days are we not gonna trade, live on the Discord, and also we're gonna do the weekly bias. So, we shall begin, man. So, let's start off from the Monday on the news, okay? Monday, we can see that tomorrow there's PMI news coming up, which is not bad. Alright, man, I just finished up live stream with the Discord with my students, and it was a really good, solid session. We did the weekly market analysis, overview of the market, etc., the daily bias, and which days are we not gonna trade, which days are we gonna trade, which days are we gonna de-risk. But yeah, man, super solid session. Everybody learned. But now I'm gonna go to the gym and just preparing for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna live trade. We live trade every single day in the Discord. If you want to join us, it should be the link in the description. And also, if you want to join for free, it's the same link, okay? But free course, everything. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym, drink some coffee first, and then hit the gym. But yeah, I will update you guys. I'm gonna hit leg day. It's not bad, but it's leg days they're essential, but there are better days than leg days. But Sunday, great way to start the week, day to start the week. And just moving forward always, man. That's what you have to do. Okay, just move forward, okay, whether you feel like it or not. And I know I've said this, but it's true. Move forward, bro. Move forward. You're gonna tag me later. Alright, man. Came from the gym. Man, I'm all red from the sauna. Shit. But I think we'll go soon. You know? But I'm gonna buy some protein, something to eat. You know? So man, I just finished up like a protein shake and Snickers. That's good. That's what's up. Now I'm gonna go home and eat some more food. Yo, what up, what up? Welcome. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook me some eggs, fried eggs with some olive oil. Man, that's the good shit. You don't wanna eat the bad shit called the rapeseed oil, or whatever, rapeseed oil. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but if I didn't, then my bad. Rapeseed oil. That's weird. But you know that freaking these seed oils, you shouldn't eat that. That's what I heard from the professors in YouTube, these gurus. Now I'm just playing. I just know it's not good. But yeah, I'm home. I'm gonna cook me some eggs. Maybe I'm gonna eat like 5 eggs. I think it has like 5 times 6. It's 30. 30, yeah. Wait. 30. On average, 1 egg has like 6 grams of protein. That's what I heard, man. And the cholesterol is good. Give me some extra testosterone so I can work harder, man. You know how it goes. But to cook me some eggs and making sure that I'm pumped up for tomorrow's trading, and you know how it goes. But you gotta know. I don't know what I'm talking about, bro, but do you guys eat protein? Do you eat protein? Do you like protein? Do you like eggs? Okay. Shit. But about the thing, bro. Last week was my first break-even week in a while, bro. Like literally, break-even means no money made but no money lost. Maybe I ended up like $20 profit at the end of the week, but I'm not gonna call that a profitable week. Like, I'm not gonna call that a week that is good, because compared to the previous months, we've been killing it. Obviously, it's September. We've been killing it so far, like super profitable. But break even has happened, and break even is much better than a losing week. But overall, super profitable week so far, and we're gonna continue with this pace. You want to join us? If you want to join the team, we're live trading every single day, every single weekday. Also weekend calls. Should be linked in the description, man. Use the code secret if you want a good deal, man. But obviously I'm not gonna promote it much, because it's for the people who are serious. Also, there's a free section in the same link. Free section. You can join it, and free course, free community, everything that you need. If you want to become a profitable trader, scale up your trading. Don't mind this, like if you hear some background noise, don't mind. There's like kids outside. My door is open, my balcony door. There's like kids outside. There's like a park nearby. There's a lot of kids. At this time it's like 7 p.m. in my country's time. So but don't let them disturb you for my value. Hey, about to eat some eggs. Right? I'm a lyrical genius. They didn't back in the day, I used to be a lyrical genius. But all of a sudden, that just faded away. Okay. But you know, all I nowadays listen is 50 Cent. And literally, if you want to make more money, bro, listen to 50 Cent. Because that shit, like, you gotta listen to music that only talks about money and grinding and hustling. You know, because that kind of forms up in your, what is the name? Back of your head, like the subconscious. You just think about, you know, grinding and making bread and, you know, just hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Nah, my bad, bro. My bad if I'm kind of autistic right now, but you know, that's just me, bro. This is YouTube. I gotta try it in me, nobody else. That's just me. And this is my way to entertain. This is my way to show who I am. This is my way to bring you the value. You know, you can like me or not, but that's who I am. That's just how it goes. Man, there's a lot of background noise, I know, my bad. But you know, I'm gonna cook these eggs up. 5 eggs, looking real clean. You know, overall super chill day so far. Pretty productive day for a Sunday. But you know, I'm gonna give you guys a life hack. Use something called a Google Calendar or something like calendar. Schedule your time. Okay, you need to schedule your time because that's how you can extract as many tasks in a day. Track every single hour that you do because you do not even realize how many hours wasted there is. Like literally, if you're serious about your goals, you need to track your time. Tracking your time gives you a sense of what is the word? Structure. Yeah. The reason why I, you know, schedule my time, track my time, is to have a better structure of my life. You know, I can do more tasks. And I go, look man, there's no time to waste. I know I'm 17, about to be 18, but there's no time to waste, man. There's literally no time to waste. You don't know when's that time, like when is your time. So we're gonna grind, man. We gotta grind, bro. If you're serious, bro, if you made it this far, comment down below value or something, man, what you think about this video. Because that's the way I know you made it this far, and I'm proud of you, man. But you know, you know how it goes. Guys, always salt your eggs. Always use salt in your eggs, okay? That's what's up. Some onion powder, garlic powder. That's what's up. That's pretty much it. But yeah, man, I'ma finish cooking these eggs, these scrambled eggs, whatever this is, fried eggs, and then you know I'll eat it, and then I'll update you guys. All right? Whoa. Okay. All right, man. I just done finished the food. I know you cannot really see me, but you know how it goes. I'm just chilling. But you know, it was a solid ass meal. Like I ate like 5 eggs, bread, protein shake, Snickers after the gym immediately. But you know, small little snack. You know, small American snack. No, I'm just playing. I'm not even American, but you know, America, really nice country, bro. Really nice country, what I've seen, you know. But, you know, chilling. I know you cannot see me. Okay, no, yeah, you can. Shit. All right. You know how it goes. Solid ass gym session. Like I told you, sauna, just, bro, if you can't find a gym that has a sauna, bro, I swear it's worth it, okay? You know, super solid and calm Sunday. You know, Sunday, I'm gonna call it the first day of the week. I don't think I said this before. I mean, yeah, it is the first day of the week for me. You know, you gotta start your weeks strong and you gotta end it strong, okay? No matter what you do, okay? It doesn't matter, did you have a profitable week? Did you have a unprofitable week? Did you have a break-even week? What did you learn, okay? What did you learn? That's the main question, okay? You gotta ask yourself, what did I learn? Did I develop? Did I become better at trading? Did I just take trades and didn't learn anything? No, you gotta learn, bro. You gotta learn always. Be a lifelong student. That's how it goes. That's the key to life. You know, all the books say that shit. All the millionaires say that shit. Be a lifelong student. Never stop learning. Because everything also changes, you know, everything changes. So you gotta also develop, okay? And, you know, the worst thing you can do is stay stagnant, meaning you don't develop. You know, as humans, we're meant to develop and become the best versions of ourselves. You gotta be the best version of yourself, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm spreading the message. I wanna turn you profitable, and I will turn you profitable if you really are serious. You know, I'm on a mission, man. Fuck all the competition. That's the mindset you need to have, man. Fuck the competition. The competition ain't shit. Okay, the competition is gonna fall off at some point. And when they fall off, you feel tempted to fall as well because sometimes it can get hard. Keep continuing, whatever you do, bro, whatever you fucking do. At trading, okay, it took me 2 years to become profitable. It was fucking hard, but you know what? I stuck through. Now I'm here teaching it. I'll be profitable for 1.5 years, you know? Anyways, regardless, bro, chill ass Sunday. Very, very chill Sunday. But tomorrow is Monday. I'll see you at the live trading call in the Discord. And as usual, bro, if you made it this far, comment down below what you think about this video. But yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.